Still a general preview of Korea 1950 from Victis magazine. This is number 107. Looking at scenario number 3 called Intervention. Right there. Scenario number 2 is called Counterattack, and scenario number 1 is called Invasion. Yeah, again, still a preview. That's what we're looking at here. We've got the capital, South Korean Infantry Division there. 6 is its combat strength. Yeah, combat strength, and 3 is its quality. So here we have the 3rd North Korean Infantry Division, same strength of 6, but a lower quality at 2. Here we've got the 7th Infantry Division, U.S., combat strength of 12, quality there, unit quality of 4. Alright, armor, right here, here's armor. So here, 3 is its combat strength, lower left. This is a tank battalion. Armor bonus is on the right, in the white number 4. Armored bonus in this case. Still 2 flags, I guess for reinforcements, but I don't know how to read that yet. Okay, the presence of 1 or 2 flags signifies that the unit arrives as a reinforcement. Other than that, I don't know yet. Those are basically, I think, the kind of units. I'll look at the 1st Marine Division here. U.S. 1st Marine Division. Strength 15, quality 5. Flip it on its backside. It's got the white band on the lower part of the unit behind the values, showing you that it's reduced. It's a reduced unit. Headquarters, Army headquarters for the Chinese, Corps headquarters for the others, ensure supply and coordinate units. Okay, the back of a headquarters with the white band represents its isolated state. So here we've got the American 10th Corps right there. Flip it on its backside, it's isolated. Yeah, isolated status. Alright. Game turn, administrative round, air superiority, event phase, winter. Already talked about that, actually. Reinforcements. Alright, the 1 or 2 flags, what does that mean? There are 5 possible reinforcement groups. South Korean, FEC, that's Far Eastern Command, US, UN, North Korean, or Chinese. Note the FEC group corresponds to units arriving from Japan, and the US-UN group to those arriving mainly from the United States and Europe. So during its reinforcements phase, the player consults the reinforcements table. So there's a reinforcements table. Reinforcements table, there it is. There's a table by month. July, August, September, October, November, and then December, January. And you got the 5 groups. South Korean, US, UN, and FEC is in there. And then again, Far Eastern Command, and then North Korean. Okay. Table of reinforcements. All right. So, but then again, what are the flags? When a reinforcement must be drawn, the available units in the group are placed in an open... Okay, so you're drawing randomly. There we go. An eliminated combat unit that returns to the game as a reinforcement is still reduced. To be reinforced, a unit must be located 2 zones or fewer, 4 zones following a road from a supply source. to be reinforced. Okay, supply sources are the normal supply symbol like that. Should be. Pretty sure. Alright, let's see. Unused reinforcement points. Okay, so you get reinforcement points. I still don't see the flags. Southern reinforcements, northern reinforcements. There we go. Alright. U.S. and UN divisions or units may arrive incomplete. Flags on their reduced side. Flags on their reduced side. Where? Of course, I can't find one. Yeah. Oh well. Flags on their reduced side. There we go. All right. There's a flag. The 7th Infantry Division has a flag, top right, on its reduced side. All right. So I don't know. I don't know that that's incredibly important, but I'll deal with that when I get to reinforcements. All right. Reorganization. So then we got movement. We do have zones of control. So it is the zone that a unit occupies and its surrounding zones. A unit stops its movement as soon as it enters an enemy zone of control, even if it is something. I'm not sure if that's a bad translation or a typo. I don't know what's meant there. I guess even if it's negated, I guess, is what's intended there. And we have infiltration, lines of communication. A line of communication connects adjacent zones and cannot pass through a zone occupied by an enemy unit. Okay, the range of a line of communication from headquarters to a unit of its nationality is 2 zones or 3 zones when following a road. So I guess they mean here's the 10th U.S. Corps, so following a road is 1, 2, 3, up to the 7th Division. That must be what it means. Oh, and then 2 for no road. So 1, 2, or 1, 2 to the Marine Division. That must be what they mean. So I think I set up all the northern units properly so they're in command. Yeah. Alright. Tactical movement is 1 zone and 1 zone only, so moving this unit here up to zone 3, so moving from zone, 2 and the 3 is the defensive value of the zone. Moving from zone 27 to zone 9 is 1, that's tactical movement. Operational movement. Movement is not limited if the unit is not isolated at the beginning of its movement and if it carries out its entire movement along a road. Otherwise, movement is limited to 2 zones maximum. So he can use operational movement to go 1, 2 zones, or if he starts on a road like the Capital Division up here, I guess they can move unlimited along roads. So he could go 1, 2, he could move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way down to the end of the country there. A fatigued unit carries out an operational movement, remains fatigued. We do have fatigue, by the way. Fatigue markers. Movement of headquarters stacking. Was it 4 combat units so 4 combat units plus a maximum of 2 corps and or divisions per zone. I wonder if I overstacked anything. Alright, we'll pick it up next time. It's Korea 1950 from Victis.